this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find Atacamite here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now we're starting off at the alien power plant area. If you're at your life pod, this is about 1,800 meters east. So go ahead and make your way here. But what are you doing? Get out of here. I'm trying to record a video right now. But make your way over to the alien power plant area and you want to look specifically for the control room. This is going to be located more so towards the top of this area. It's kind of next to right over where my tadpole hull is right now. This is the control room right here. You can just go ahead and swim in here. Once you're here, you essentially just need to head straight down and you want to make your way towards this little angel comb. It's actually like not dangerous to do this right now, so you should be fine just swimming straight down, but make your way towards where the second angel comb is located. And once you do reach this second angel comb right here, you need to just look around the nearby rocks and crystals, and that's where adamantite is actually located. It's just going to be in this area. If you just essentially take this path and follow this route straight down, as you continue to follow this route, and I've already farmed a lot of these, you'll go ahead and get that Atacamite. And now this is not going to be these like little crystals right here. It's going to be the more green looking ones. So just keep that in mind. Pretty sure I farmed the majority. It actually looks like there's one right here. This is what you're looking for. But that's the full process right here. You can go ahead and farm this with, of course, the sonic resonator. So go ahead and equip that and farm it just like so. When it's green, you can go ahead and blow it up. That's going to be the full process right here, though. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.